Okay, so here's how to fade music at the end of a video you're editing inside of Premiere Pro. And I also have one other tip, which is at the end of your video, when you want it to end, wouldn't it be nice if it would end with the same image that was in the video? So this will make sense here as I break it down for you. So basically, here we are on our timeline. And what I'm going to do is the audio is the bottom line here, obviously, and the one that's highlighted in green. First things first is over on the left-hand side of this timeline, you want to be able to kind of expand it down. So like in anything these days with these apps and whatnot, you want to click down below and drag it down to make it bigger. That's just so you have room to manipulate the actual sound. Next thing you want to do is you want to drag your timeline to where you want the music to stop or to start dropping in sound. So I do it like the last 5 seconds of the video. So I drag it to right here, and then you're going to go over inside this area. On the left-hand side, you're going to look for add or remove a keyframe. You're going to click that once. It's going to give you a keyframe, which is this little diamond. Then you're going to go back over and you're going to drag it to the end where you want the music to be at its lowest. You're going to click that little add a keyframe again. And so then ultimately what you're going to have is a space from the higher point down to the lower point. And that's it. That's the fade. Now, the next thing that I want to share with you is my tip about how to end your video. So if you watch how this video ends, I'm just going to push play. It's the last few seconds. You see the videos. It's going in. The music is fading down. It's fading down. And then boom, the video stops. But I kept the image there. How did I do that? Simple. What I did was I stopped the video at the very last frame, and I used the micro frame step back. Then right here on the right-hand side, you see export frame. In other words, take an image or a screenshot of what you have. So you click that. And then right here, it says import into project. That's what you do. So you click OK, and then essentially it pulls that last frame into your project. Then you drag it over here to the end, as I've already done. And then for the last few seconds, your music faded out, and then the image stayed exactly where you want it. So that's it. That's how you fade your music at the end here in Premiere Pro and finish with the last image that was in your video. Hope this helps. If so, give it a like, comment below, and see you in the next one.